Hi, I'm Kara, and this is the Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Coffee Grinder. If you are a coffee lover, you know there are really only a couple of secrets to making great coffee: good water and fresh beans. But of course there's a third secret, and that's to keep the beans from losing their flavor by grinding them right when you need them. Listen to it. The Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Coffee Grinder is quieter than any of the leading competitors. It has stainless steel blades, and you can use it to grind spices as well as coffee. There is a removable grinding chamber, so cleaning up is a snap. There's also easy cord storage, so it won't take up a lot of space when you're not using it. Now that's good thinking.
How to use the OXO Brew Conical Burr Coffee Grinder. Slowly rotate hopper to select grind size, from 1 for fine to 15 for coarse. Slide grounds container onto base until it clicks into place. Turn dial to desired time and press the OXO button to grind. The dial stays at your set time for a quick one-touch start. To stop grinding, press the OXO button at any time.
The Bistro Burr grinder enables a better and more even extraction with its stainless steel conical burrs. This compact designed burr grinder holds over 200 grams of coffee. The grinder has 12 settings which allow you to adjust your grind size from French press to espresso. It also has a programmable time function to assist in dosing. The instructions on the lid assist you when setting the timer for your chosen brew method. The dosing chamber is made of borosilicate glass, which is anti-static, ensuring coffee fines do not stick. Enjoy!
Every coffee bean grinds differently. The Grind Control by Breville is the first drip coffee maker with an adjustable grinder and calibration, so you can customize your exact taste preference. Let's see it in action. Brew any size carafe, cup or mug without compromising on taste. The Grind Control, brought to you by the food thinkers at Breville.